Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix you don't currently have permission to access this folder on Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to write on search run or press Windows and I key, and then you just need to write gpedit.msc. Then on this window here, you can expand a bit, and then you need to go to a computer configuration. Once you expand this option, then you need to go to Windows settings. Then on Windows settings, you need to go to security options. And on security options, you need to go to local policies. And then go to security options again. And you will see a bunch of documents here. So let me make it full screen for you. And scroll down, and then you should see user account control, admin approval mode for the built-in administrator account. So double click on it and then make sure it's disabled. Okay, apply the changes. Then the other option should be user account control, run all administrators in admin approval mode, and also disable this option. Once you do so, then restart your PC and try to go to that particular folder that you don't had the rights.